that is called tracks and races. Circular track will be like this. Say for example, in this circular track, two persons A and B are running with different speeds. Okay, so only the question will be based on, they'll ask about meeting point, like after how many minutes, after how much time they are meeting, or one person is overtaking another person. This is very popular model in this chapter. And meeting point also will be based on two things. First one is, meeting for the first time at starting point only. Okay, now underline this starting point. It means from where they started, they'll make cycles like this. They'll complete one by one. But at some time, both will meet at starting point. They'll ask after how many minutes both are meeting at starting point. This is one category. Second type is other than starting point. Maybe they'll meet somewhere other than starting point. First we'll discuss about this. Better we go with one example. Say A is completing one full cycle in 3 minutes. A is completing one full cycle in 3 minutes. B is completing one full cycle in 4 minutes. Just assume like this. Okay. They started at say 9 a.m. exactly. After 3 minutes, what happens? After 3 minutes, A will be completing one full cycle. A has completed already. What about B? B is not yet completed. Maybe B is somewhere here or here. Okay. After 6 minutes, what happens? A completed 2 cycles. What about B? Second one is going on. First one is completed. Second one is going on. Like this, at 9:12, what happens? After 12 minutes. Okay. First one 3 minutes means 3 fours are. He completed 4 cycles. He is at this place. Second one 4 minutes he will take. 4 threes are. It means second one completed 3 cycles. But he is also at this place. Okay, now for the first time they are at starting point again. After how many minutes? 12 minutes. So in this question, answer is 12 minutes. But how this 12 minutes is related to 3 and 4? It is simple LCM, common multiple. Not only 12 minutes, for every 12 minutes they will meet again and again. So answer, whenever question is about starting point, simply answer is LCM of timings. That's all. LCM of timings. Irrespective of direction in which they are moving. Direction in which they are moving. Okay? Whether it is opposite direction or they are moving in same direction. Answer is only LCM, because they have to meet at starting point again. Length will be same. They will take same 3 minutes, same 4 minutes, even if they move in opposite direction. Okay, length is not changing. Their speeds also not changing. They will take same timings. That's why meeting at starting point means irrespective of direction, answer is always LCM. Okay. Even if third person is there, LCM of TA, TB, TC, like this. This is first case. అది కూడా యాడ్ చేయండి. ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ చేయలేదా? ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఇన్ విచ్ దే ఆర్ మూవింగ్. మళ్ళీ మీకు రివిజన్ అప్పుడు గుర్తుంటుందని. irrespective of direction in which they are moving. Chalo, next one. Second point, meeting for the first time, meeting for the first time, meeting for the first time, other than starting point, other than starting point. Ante it may be anywhere on the track. Okay, anywhere on the track, here, anywhere. Suppose A and B moving in this direction, slowly they will complete their cycles. Now one person will be faster, maybe that person will overtake other person at somewhere point. Okay, so what is the time taken by that person to overtake another person? Here distance means length of the track, L by only relative speed, S1 minus S2, minus for same direction. This is very simple. It is like straight line. Okay. In case if they are moving in opposite direction, answer will be different. It is S1 plus S2. It means in this model, in second category, we get two different answers, depends on direction. Okay. Chalo, there are two questions, we'll complete them first. 15th and 16th. Fifteenth. Question number 15, okay? Opposite direction. In 15th case, same answer. In 15th question, how length most అంటే ఇప్పుడు what is given in the question in 15th question, A is taking 36 seconds to complete one full cycle. Just it is given timings. LCM, that's all. Irrespective of direction, answer is always LCM 180. 3645 LCM 180. 15th one, option D. Chalo, 16th one, circular race, length is given 2700 meters. If A and B start from same point with speeds 27 kilometers per hour and 18 kilometers per hour respectively, what is the time taken by them for the first meet? So length is given. First question answer. Time is equal to 2700 divided by, okay, 27 minus 18, that is S1 minus S2, both are moving in same direction, but this is given in meters, this is kilometers per hour, that's why multiply with 5 by 18. 2700 divided by 9 into 5 by 18, 9 2s are 1000, no, 5400 by 5, it is 1080. Okay na? Chalo, second one. $2,700 divided by 27 plus 18, opposite direction, 5 by 18. Simplify this. You will get this 216. Okay, now both are different answers. Chalo, next concept, last concept, races. Say race length is 1000 meters. Okay, A and B are contesting in this. They will be moving in this direction. Both will start at same time. Race means both will start at same time. Okay, say one person, definitely one person will be winner. Say we won the race. A is here, it to travel some distance. Assume it is race started at 9 a.m. B has reached the first that place at after 6 minutes. Just assume this case, okay? Started at 9 a.m. Now race is ended at 9:06. See, if one person reaches that place, they will say race is ended, this person is the winner. It means both are traveled for same time. That word is important. Both will travel for same time. If time is fixed, if time is same, what is that ratio? Distance is directly proportional to speed. It means SA by SP, their speeds ratio will be equal to their length ratio. This is very, very important equation in races. Okay, now add this line. In race, traveling time will be same. Till the race ends. Till the race ends. Adi important malli. Traveling time ela equal anukuntaru meeru. Actually traveling timings are not equal. One will take 6 minutes, other will take 8 minutes maybe to complete their races. But when race will end, if one person reaches, race is ended. Okay, that cheyandi till when the race ends. Note down this. If t is same, distance is directly proportional to speed. Distances ratio, speeds ratio equal. Note down this. Okay, one case, first case, here only. B beats A by 100 meters, or B won A, or B won the race by 100 meters. B won the race, or B won A by 100 meters. Okay, now take this statement. What is the meaning of this? B is the winner, first point. Okay, B already covered 1000 meters. B beats A by 100 meters means A yet to cover 100 meters. It means A is completed 900 meters only. Okay, now yet to cover 100. Sometimes they will say in terms of seconds also, minutes also, B beats A by 10 seconds. It means, what it means? A yet to travel for 10 seconds. Then he will complete his race. అంటే ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్లో బేసిక్గా టర్మినాలజీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ రేసెస్ క్వశ్చన్స్. క్లియరా దిస్ వన్? చలో స్పెషల్ కేస్ అని పెట్టండి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ స్పెషల్ కేస్. Special case, it means starting points are not same for both the persons. Say A is here, B is here. One person starts little later than other. Starting points are not same. Say A already covered 100 meters. Now race will start. For A it is advantage. He has to cover only 900. B has to cover 1000. So in the questions they will say like this: A has a start of 100 meters. A has a start of 100 meters. Okay na? It means, what it means? A has a start of 100 meters. A already traveled 100 meters. So remaining yet to cover only 900, but B has to travel entire distance, that is 1000. So this is again first case in this. Or sometimes they will say in terms of timings, A has a start of 10 seconds. What it means? A already traveled for 10 seconds. Okay na? A has a start of 10 seconds. Second point here only. A gives B a start of a start of 100 meters. A gives B a start of 100 meters. What is this? Is it same? A is giving B an option, take 100 meters, then I will start. This is the meaning of this line. So in this case, B is going to cover 900. A has to cover 1000. Done? A gives B a start of 10 seconds means A gives B a start of 10 seconds. It means B is traveling for 10 seconds. Then A will start his race. Chalo. Question number 17 here. 17. Okay na? 17. Seventeenth. $50, 160, very good. A runs with 40, B runs with 30. A beats B by 40 meters. So first of all, race time is same, 40 and 30. What is the ratio? 4:3. Speeds ratio is nothing but distances ratio. Beats means difference. 4 minus 3, 1. For 1 it is how much? 40 meters. What is the question? Total length. Total length means for 4 how much? It is 160. Beats means difference. Or you can take like this, 4 by 3 is equal to, it is covering total length L, but B is covering 40 meters less. If you solve this, you will get same answer. A is covering entire length because A speed is more. A can run 1 kilometer race in 6 minutes. B can cover same distance in 6 minutes 40 seconds. By what distance A can be? B. Okay. So in 6 minutes, race is completing, right? Race is finished. This is the situation. A is here, B is here in 6 minutes. B is covering all 1000 meters in 6 minutes 40 seconds. That is 6 minutes 40 seconds means 400 seconds. 1000 meters. This is about B. So race is completed in 6 minutes. In this 6 minutes, where is B? Means this is the gap. This we need to find. So gap is just 40 seconds. In this 40 seconds, what is the distance he will cover? For 400,000 means for 40 it will be 100. 100. It means A beats B by 100. A beats B by 100. Now go to 18th question, or change the numbering better. This is 18th, next one 19, last one is 20. Nineteenth one, in a 1 kilometer race, A beats B by 40 meters or 20 seconds. Find the time taken by A to complete the race. Eight minutes, just 8. What is the answer? A beats B by 40 meters. A beats B by 40 meters. Okay. B is here, A is here. 40 meters or 20 seconds. What is the time taken by A to complete this race? Question is about A. Okay. First of all, we'll see about B. B is traveling 40 meters in 20 seconds. 40 meters or 20 seconds, it means it takes 20 seconds to complete 40 meters. Okay. For entire race, for 1000 meters, how much time we will take? 40 key of 20. 1000 key of means 500 seconds. This is about B. B will take 500 seconds to complete this race. But question is about A. A will take 20 seconds less. Okay. So A's time is equal to 500 minus 20. It is how much? 480. 480 seconds means 8 minutes. Chalo, last one. Question number 20. Answer this carefully. Ratio of speeds of A and B is 5:6. B allows a start of 70 meters. It means A is taking the advantage. A is here. already traveled 70 meters. Now B is here. A has to cover 1130. B has to cover total 1200. Now we know in the race timings are equal, so distances ratio is equal to speeds ratio. What about speeds ratio in this question? 5:6. B speed is more. B speed is more. Assume B is the winning the race. B is winning the race. Okay. Now it is 5:6 means B is the winning the race means B is covering entire 1200. He will complete. In this time, where is A? This we need to find. 6 ki 1200, 5 ki 1000. It is 1000. So A is covering 1000 meters only by the time A has finished his race. Okay, what is the answer? B wins the race by 200. Excellent. Excellent. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో 90% of the people made mistake. We are in 10%, not in 90. You tell me final answer, that's all. A is added 1000 meters from this point. So this point is 1070, not 1000. Already A covered 70 in the beginning. Don't forget this. A had to cover 130. So what is the option? B beats A by 130. Done? I'll give some questions, wait. Time, speed, distance. మీరు అంటే డౌట్ వస్తుంది ఎవరికైనా. తను ఏమంటుందంటే బీ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నంత మాత్రాన ఎలా అనుకుంటామని, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా, టైమ్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇక్కడ మన అజంప్షన్ ఏం కాదు, అది పాసిబిలిటీ. ఇప్పుడు 5:6 ఉంది, ఓకే, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ విల్ కవర్ మోర్ డిస్టెన్స్, కానీ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్కి ఒక అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, అది ఇనీషియల్గా గెస్ వర్కే అనవచ్చు, కానీ 5 and 6 ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు 6కి ఏదైతే 1200 వస్తుందో, అంటే 6 into 200 చేస్తే 1200 వస్తుంది. 5 into 200 అనేది దాన్ని ఎట్లా చెక్ చేద్దాం, పర్సంటేజ్లో కూడా చెక్ చేయొచ్చు. 5 and 6 అంటే 1/6 మోర్, నో 20% మోర్ కదా, 20% స్పీడ్ మోర్ కదా. ఎవరికి? బీకి. ఏది 5 అయితే B 6, 20% మోర్ స్పీడ్ ఎవరికి? బీకి. సో మరి అక్కడ రఫ్గా గెస్ చేయి, 20% డిస్టెన్స్ గ్యాప్ ఉందా అట్లా చెక్ చేసుకొని గెస్ చేయడమే. ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మనం చెప్పలేము, ఒక్కోసారి చాలా క్లోజ్గా ఉండొచ్చు అవి. లేదంటే ఆన్సర్ రాదు. సో 20% మోర్ స్పీడ్ ఉంటే 20% మోర్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఎందుకంటే టైమ్ ఇస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా, డిస్టెన్స్ అండ్ స్పీడ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్. సో 20% మోర్ స్పీడ్, 20% మోర్ డిస్టెన్స్, 1000, 1200, 20% గ్యాప్. ఇవి ఒక 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాం. 1 సెకండ్, నోట్ డౌన్ దిస్. A has a start of 50 meters. A has a start of 50 meters in 500 meters race. In 500 meters race, A has a start of 50 meters. Same model, okay. A and B speeds ratio is 3:2. 3:2. Find who wins by what distance. Already A is having advantage. A speed also more. A will be winning the race. Chalo. A is the winning the race definitely. Just find out where B is. This is 50. Ratio 3:2. A will be covering all 450. Where is B? We don't know. It is 900 by 3 means B is covering only 300. 300 will be added. Okay. So this point also 300. Now it is gap is 200. A beats B by 200. Next one, same values, just speeds ratio, change this to 2:3. Speeds ratio, take reverse, 2:3. B winning the race. So 2 by 3 is equal to B is covering all 500. But we don't know where is A. So it is 1000 by 3 means A is adding 333.33. Don't tell 500 minus 333.33, answer is 166. It is not correct. A is adding 333 from this point. Okay? So A is adding 333.33. Initially 50. So this point is 383.33. Now difference is 116.66. B beats A by 116.66. This is the answer. Finished? Note down one question. Time, speed, distance. This question asked in 2024 paper. Note down this. A and B start at the same time to reach same destination. A and B start at the same time to reach same destination. B traveled at 5 by 7 of A speed. B traveled at 5 by 7 of A's speed and reached the destination 1 hour 20 minutes after A. 1 hour 20 minutes after A. Okay na? What was the time taken by B? What was the time taken by B to reach the destination? What was the time taken by B to reach the destination? Finished? What is the answer? What is B speed? 5/7 of A speed. What is B's time? Tell me what is B's time? 1 hour 20 minutes more. 1 hour 20 minutes in terms of hours, how much? 20 by 60. 1/3, 4 by 3 hours. Say A's time is T, it means B will be taking T plus 4 by 3. Okay? Chalo. Both are covering same distance. This distance travelled by A, SA into his time. Same distance travelled by B, but with this speed, with this time. Okay now. SA cancel, cross multiplication. 7t is equal to 5t. 5 4s are 20 by 3. Okay? What is difference? 2t. Okay now? Okay, right? Then what is 20 by 3? Okay. What is t? 10 by 3, means 3.33. 3.33 means 1/3. 1/3 means 20 minutes. So what is t value? 3 hours 20 minutes. It is time taken by whom? A. But what is the question? Time taken by B. 3 hours 20 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes. What is total? 4 hours 40 minutes. Simple question. చేయలేదు మీరు. 4 hours 40 minutes. Final answer. Next time. Next time miss కాదంటావు. ఫినిష్డా? సరేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ది టాపిక్. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చూడరా దీంట్లో. డౌట్స్ ఏం లేవు కదా? నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ అయిపోయిందా? మనకి అయింది కదా. క్వాంట్లో ఇంకేమున్నాయి పెండింగ్?